This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 26, Creativity, what does it mean? The video begins by exploring the concept of creativity, defining it and examining various theoretical perspectives on its nature. It then delves into the ways creativity is assessed and measured, touching on the importance of unlearning old thought patterns and unlocking the mind's potential through creative thinking tools. Moving on, the video analyzes different models of the creative process, such as the stages of preparation, incubation, and insight, while acknowledging the role of skills, intelligence, and natural abilities in producing innovative creations. Cross-cultural perspectives on creativity are examined next, highlighting the contrasting views of individualistic creativity in the West and collective creativity in the East, as well as debates surrounding attributes like order, disorder, convention, and unconvention. The relationship between creativity and intelligence is then explored, with insights from De Bono suggesting that while intelligence is necessary, it alone is not sufficient for success, and that perception, focus, and hard work are equally crucial. The video also addresses cognitive biases and their potential to hinder creative thinking, emphasizing the importance of overcoming these biases and embracing a willingness to change perceptions in order to foster creativity. Finally, the key takeaways are summarized, including De Bono's insights on breaking patterns, the significance of cognitive biases, cross-cultural perspectives on creativity, the stages of the creative process, the combination of skills needed for innovative expressions, and ongoing debates surrounding the attributes of creativity. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.